Hey there, welcome to Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifactnerd.com. In lesson number 7, we will learn how do we abuse and swear in Punjabi. Abusing is called galan, galan, galan in Punjabi, and swearing is bura bhala, bura bhala, bura bhala in Punjabi. Abusing and swearing, gala or bura bhala. Let's start our lesson number 7. Get lost. Dafa mar, dafa mar, dafa mar. Dafa mar is very impolite, and usually you just say it to your enemies. A little politer version of get lost is o ja vi, o ja vi, o ja vi. Get lost, dafa mar or o ja vi. Don't talk rubbish. Bak bak na kar. Bak bak na kar. Bak bak na kar. Don't talk rubbish. Bak bak na kar. You are a fool. तू झल्ला है और तू चल्ला है. Both are correct. तू चला है. तू चला है. You are a fool. तू चला है. Don't beat about the bushes. इत्थे उत्थे दी ना छड़. इत्थे means here, उत्थे means there. Na chhad means do not talk about here and there. Come to the point. Ithe uthe di na chhad. Ithe uthe di na chhad. Don't beat about the bushes. Ithe uthe di na chhad. Go to hell. Jahannam vich mar. Mar means go and die. Die in the hell. Therefore, it's not very polite to say to the people, but because we are talking about abusing and swearing, so we have to learn this. Go to hell, Jahannam vich mar. Jahannam vich mar. A little politer version would be Jahannam vich ja. Ja Jahannam vich. Usually people say ja Jahannam vich. You ass. Ass means donkey in Punjabi. O khotia. O khotia. For a boy we say o khotia. For a girl we say o khotiye. Khotiye. You ass. O khotia, I am going to teach you a lesson. मैं तेनू तीर जिहा सीधा कर दियांगा. It literally means I, you, arrow, जिहा like, सीधा straight कर दियांगा. I will straighten you like an arrow. मैं तेनू तीर जिहा सीधा कर दियांगा. A shorter version could be मैं तेनू सीधा कर दियांगा. I will straighten you up. मैं तेनू सीधा कर दियांगा. I am going to teach you a lesson. मैं तेनू तीर जिहा सीधा कर दियांगा. मैं तेनू तीर जिहा सीधा कर दियांगा. You dog. Oh कुत्तिया. Kutta is dog, and when you are Abusing someone, then you say ya, you add the ya. O kutia, you dog. Like khota is means donkey, but when you are abusing in Punjabi, you say o khotia, you dog. O kutia, leave me alone. Jaan chhad meri. Jaan means my me, or chhad means leave me. Jaan chhad meri. Jaan chhad meri. Jaan chhad meri. Leave me alone. Jaan chhad meri. Who are you to tell me this? You are very angry and you say to a person, who are you to tell me this? So it's just imagine it's a woman, or it's a wife telling his husband, ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ. ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ, who are you, ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ, to talk about these matters. It literally means this. ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ. And if it's the other way around, a man talking to a woman, then it would be ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ. Remember, male is always a and female is most of the times e. ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ. Who are you to tell me this? ਤੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ. Let's start our practice session. In this session, I will just speak in English and I would expect you to speak in Punjabi in a loud, clear voice. Abusing and swearing. Yes, galla or bura bhala. Or means and in Punjabi. Get lost. Yes, dafa mar or o javi. Don't talk rubbish. It's not back, it's buck. Buck buck na kar. You are a fool. Yes, tum challa hai. And for female, challi. Tu challi hai. Don't beat about the bushes. Yes, ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਨਾ ਛੱਡ. ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਨਾ ਛੱਡ. Go to hell. Yes, ਜਹੰਨਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਰ. US, ਉਹ ਖੋਤਿਆ. I am going to teach you a lesson. ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੀਜਿਆ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗਾ. Or if you want to be polite, then you can say ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਬਕ ਸਿਖਾ ਦਿਆਂਗਾ. I am going to teach you a lesson. ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਬਕ. Sabak means a lesson. Sikha dianga, teach. So, if you want to be a little politer, then you can say main tenu sabak sikha dianga. I am going to teach you a lesson. Main tenu tijya siddha kar dianga. Or main tenu sabak sikha dianga. You dog. Oh kutia. Yes. Leave me alone. Nice. Jaan chhad meri. Who are you to tell me this? Yes, तू हुंदा कौन है? Who are you? तू हुंदा कौन है? है गला करन वाला. And for female we would say तू हुंदी कौन है गला करन वाली. So guys and girls, this time I would only speak in Punjabi, and I would expect you to understand it what I am saying. You can read on the left hand side if you do not know. Let's start. Galan और बुरा भला दफा मर ओ जावी बक बक ना कर तू चला है फॉर फीमेल तू चली है इत्थे उत्थे दी ना छड़ जहन्नम विच मर या जहन्नम इच. Some people only say ich. Jahannam ich mar. O khotia for male and for female. O khotiye मैं तेनू तीर जिहा सीधा कर दियांगा और मैं तेनू सबक सिखा दियांगा. ओ कुत्तिया जान छड़ मेरी तू हुंदा कौन है ए गल्लां करन वाला फॉर मेल एंड तू हुंदी कौन है ए गल्लां करन वाली फॉर फीमेल. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for lesson number 7 of Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifactner.com. If you would like to do some exercises or download this presentation, then please go to ifactner.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.